for today's video with a going hair in the castle. Oh, what's on her in Abu Dhabi? Yes. So we'll go here for our ticket. And then, papakita ko sa inyo guys kung gaano ito kaganda na palace. Yes.
The art colonnades are based on the Liwan, a traditional feature in Gulf courtyard houses. These are
Hey guys! This is my second time guys actually. Yeah, first time with Joan. Actually, we visit her last 3 years ago. I think during pandemic. Yeah, with me and Madam Bushyang. Yes. Wow! See? Oh my God. So this is the Alcazar Watan guys. The presidential palace. Yes. Yeah, but the king is not living here actually. It's a long story. I don't know how to discuss it also. But I think he's living in the back of this palace. Yes. See guys. So may dress coding din sila dito guys, same sa big mosque. So kailangan mahaba siya. Kaya nakashol ako dito. Tingnan nyo, Pilipina ang dating nila yan studio. Kasi sa palace. So this is it. O diba? So ang ganda.
I think this is really important as it marks our first trade agreement with America and Middle Eastern country.
Bakit close to sa ano? O ano tayo dito mag-retouch mo natin. Para rin siyang mosque, no? Big mosque. Ang kaibahan lang dito, wala siyang ano, mga Allahu Akbar, gano'n.
Hindi tayo na dito.
Tsaka libre kasi doon. Dito may bayad. Pero maraming security dito dahil. Kaya hindi ka talaga makapagtanggal ng panda. No? Nilibre ako.
Hindi tayo maganito.
Eh wala. Okay lang sa walang shawl. So guys, dati gold yan. Yeah, it's a big gold. Ngayon chini-change na nila. ang dami talaga ding pagbabago dito. Maraming open, maraming changes, pero yung library is still the same. Yeah, walang pagbabago sa library. Pero I think mayroon to silang mga coffee shop doon eh. Tanungin daw natin si Kabayan Jung. I think they have coffee shop here. Yeah, I remember. May mga souvenir section to sila. So guys, ito yung mga chandelier nila. Grabe, ang ganda. So yung mga parang mag-meeting sila. Jung, may malaki pa doon. Jung, halika. Other chandelier. See, come here. See? It's a circle. You can go. Mura kong nahiluan na. So this is their dining room. Oh my gosh. How I wish I have a dining like this. Si Jung, this is the what's this Jung. Mayroon pa din doon Jung sa loob. Kaya dapat yung anak talaga yung dining room. Ay, wapa ka tangat. So, actually, it's not a lot of changes. Marami ding tinanggal, mayroon ding binago. Yeah. But here, see, that is the fountain joke. We can check there if you want. Wait, I will check here the foods. I'll check the coffee. Yeah, maybe here the coffee is nice. The bread, coffee. Mga dutong kami. I will check for our order. there. We have plans to eat there in the fountain for the ambience. Ito guys, bago to dito. Yeah, dati pagpunta namin ni Madam Busyang, this is full of gold. Ang ganda talaga. Pero maganda din naman ngayon guys. At least marami kang matutunan dahil dito sa palace na to. Yes. So dati gold talaga yan. Yun ang malaking changes ngayon sa pagbalik namin. Yes. O diba? Ang laki dyan ng gold as in.
Diet ka ngayon to dito. Diet ka chile.
The food guys. Grabe ang sarap. Tingnan niyo yung muffins nila. Blueberry na muffin. Ang sarap kahit mahal. Let's try their coffee. See? So after this one guys, we will go to the Manar Abu Dhabi. Yeah. So marami doon mga events. Yes, see you there. May coffee. I want my coffee na. So, be careful ha, madam. Ang kabuang. Oh, the sunset is grabe. Hala, ang ganda ng sunset doon. Oh my God. Come here na, we get picture here, Jom. Bilisan mo kasi paalis na yata sila eh. Come. Oh my God!